And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hello friends, this is Maggie Clark from Johnson, Nebraska in my second year studying ag business and welding here at NCTA. This semester, members of my welding class took our steel certification exam right here on campus, and I'm thrilled to report we all passed. Our welding classes leading to certification take place over the course of 3 semesters, with only 1 or 2 welding classes each semester. This gives us the opportunity to gain another associate's degree within the other academic programs offered here. For me, I chose agribusiness, and the classes I have taken will be very useful in whatever I choose for a career. I'm also a member of the Women in Ag Club, which I'm finding is a fantastic way to network in the ag industry, with the number of women leaders growing every year. The small size of NCTA and the ag industry connections have given me an insight into many careers that I didn't even know existed. The hands-on learning, field trips, and the student-focused faculty have been amazing. I'm confident and excited about what the future holds for me. Coming from a small community, the appeal of NCTA in the small town of Curtis was exactly what I was looking for. I enjoy meeting new people and have loved the community involvement here. I would strongly recommend high school students consider NCTA for the great connections it offers. Visit us for a campus tour anytime, but the Discovery Days are a great way to meet some students, faculty, and learn more about our clubs and teams. You can find the dates and details on the website ncta.unl.edu. In the meantime, our social media sites are also very informative, with students featured regularly and even involved in creating content. Again, this is Maggie Clark, happy to be an Aggie at NCTA, a small campus with a big impact.